class 10 students, since you are seeing this video, so your first duty to subscribe this channel. Now I'll start height and distance. Few sums I will do from exercise 22C, Selina Publishers book, that is Concise Math. Sum number 10 I am doing. From a window A, this is the window A, from 10 meter above the ground. So this is 10. You see, this is the given diagram. So I have drawn a diagram. This is 10. The angle of elevation of the top C, this is the angle. In the question it is given. The top C here, angle of elevation is this, x degree. So I have written here also x degree. Of a tower is x degree. This is the tower. CD is the tower. CD is the tower. Where tan x by 2 equal to 5 by 2. It is given. And the angle of depression of the foot D of the tower is y degree. So from here to here is y degree. Here it is given also y degree. I have also written y degree. And tan y degree value is given. Calculate the height CD. That means this height we have to calculate. Okay, now take CAK, you give name CAK one triangle. So from this triangle you take tan x degree. Tan is perpendicular by base. So perpendicular is y by x. So tan x degree equal to perpendicular y by x. This side I have written because tan x degree value is 5 by 2 given. Because tan is perpendicular by base, that I have written here. Now value of x is 40. In the question it is given that question 10 meter of the ground. 40, no, then first you do this one, tan y, you keep here, then tan y you do. Tan y means from this triangle, AKD triangle, tan y equal to perpendicular, that is 10 by base x. Perpendicular by base. So perpendicular is 10 written here and base is x. And value is given 1 by 4. Now cross multiply you do, x into 1 equal to 10 into 4, that is 40. So x value I have got here. Now after getting here you put the value of x 40. Then 2 20s are, now 5 20s are 20. This is the value of y. Now CD length, CD equal to y plus 10. So y plus 10. Now y value have got 100 plus 10, that is 110 meter. This is the answer of the tower's length. The question it is told that height of the tower in meters. So height of the tower I told CD. This is the height of the tower, CD. Now CK I considered y and AB, that is KD, I got 10. This is 10, so that is also 10. Now 10 plus y value I got, so you add and get 110. This is the answer. Next question. A vertical tower is 20 meter high. So this is 20 I have written. A man standing at some distance from the tower knows that the cosine of the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 53. So this angle if you consider, then cos theta equal to 0.53. Not 53, 0.53. How far he is standing from the foot of the tower? That means this length we have to consider. We have to calculate this length, x. I consider x. So we have to take cos here because cos value is given. Now this 50.53 cos what degree? Cos 58 degree. From the back side of your book you can see it is 58 degree. So cos theta equal to cos 58, that means theta equal to 58. Since I got angle, this angle I got, now you take tan theta equal to perpendicular by base, perpendicular AB, that is 20, and base I consider x. And tan 58 degree, the value is 1.6003. From the back side of your book you see and put here. then x equal to, it will go down, x will come up, so x equal to 20 by this. Now you divide and get the value of x, and that is the answer. Next, sum number 12. A man standing on the bank of a river observes that the angle of elevation of a tree on the opposite bank is 60 degrees. So here it is 60 degree. When he moves 50 meter away, see 50 meter he moves away from the bank, then angle of elevation is 30 degree. Here this angle is 30 degree. Find the width of the river, that is x. I consider x is the width of the river, this one I consider, that is you have to write here let. I have not written, you have to write, because this is considered. The width of the river and the height of the tree, that is this y length you have to consider. You have to calculate y also. So I consider y, so you write let this is y. Then tan 60 from a, give name A, B, C. This is B, let C. From ABC triangle, tan 60 equal to perpendicular by base. Perpendicular is y and base is x. Tan 60 value you put. Then here by 1, y1 is 1 and root 3x here. This is, you can give equation number 1 or you cannot, that is your matter. Then you take ABD, give here D, ABD triangle. You take ABD triangle. Tan 30 equal to perpendicular is y and base is 50 plus x. Now tan 30 value 1 by root over 3 and y value you got root over 3x. So put here, value of y you put here. Now cross multiply, root 3 into root 3, that is 3, x equal to x plus 50. Now take x this side, so 3x minus x will be 2x, 50. Then x equal to 50 by 2, that is 25. Now you put here value of x, then 25 root 3 is the value of y. So the height of the tree is 25 root 3 meter and the width of the river is 25 meter. That's all for this video.